Este es de mama. Ya. Dile hola a la cámara. Hola. Un besito. Ay, ya mira la cámara. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel as always. We really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny and I have a very, actually the most special guest ever on my channel today. This is my daughter Aria. Aria, di hola. Hola. So for today's video, I thought we'd switch it up. Recently, I bought this stool for Aria and it has been a game changer for us. She has been helping me out in the kitchen so much. She loves it, I love it. You guys love it on Instagram, so I figured we would go ahead and put a YouTube together so that our YouTube family can enjoy these videos as well. So for today, we are going to be making, we are going to be making cupcakes. Rico. We're going to be making Christmas cupcakes. Now, I just want to put this out there. I am not a cupcake expert. I can't even remember last time I made cupcakes. So we're just gonna make cupcakes, have a good time. I bought a couple of things to use to decorate our cupcakes, but yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I hope that you guys enjoy this kind of video. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe. Also like this video to let me know that you want to see more videos like this. I really hope that in 2021 I'm able to bring more of this kind of content to my channel, if that's what you want. I mean, I love to make this kind of video, so if you guys love it too, that would be perfect. So today's video is gonna be in Spanglish. I speak Spanglish. A ti, sí. I speak Spanglish to Aria, so you're gonna hear me speak both Spanish and English. I'm gonna try to speak. ¿Qué pasó? No, if we're filming, vamos a hacer cupcakes. Ok, entonces espera. She's just ready to go. We haven't even started. So you're gonna hear me speak Spanglish, so I hope that's okay with you guys. But yeah, without any further ado, I think that my co-host is over. She's over it already. Si ni siquiera hemos empezado y ya te quieres ir. See? This is gonna be interesting. Okay, alright, you have to show everyone what we're doing. Alright, cupcake mix. Okay, so here it says we need water, oil, and 3 eggs. ¿Qué te parece? ¿Sí? ¿Voy a buscar los huevos? Sí. Okay. Okay, eggs. También necesitamos un bowl. Déjame buscar el agua. So 1 cup water. Tengo el agua, tengo el aceite, oil. Empezamos con los huevos. Okay, so we're going to start with the eggs. ¿Qué quieres hacer? Mira aquí, así. Y ahora con las 2 manos. Go. Muy bien. Más, ok, pero hazlo aquí afuera. Dale un golpe. Y ahora, crack it. Muy bien. Ok, falta uno más, ¿ok? Toma. Okay, aquí afuera, aquí. Mira, dale un golpe. Hit it. Alright. Ahora, go, crack it. Good job. Good job. Ahora we have to mix it, ¿ok? Hay que mezclarlo. Mézclalo. El huevo hay que cocinarlo. Hay que cocinar el huevo. Huevo. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Ok, ahora vamos a poner el cake mix. Mientras tú pones eso.
Sí.
Sí. ¡Yeah! Mira, todavía queda un poquito. Más. ¡Yay! Mira, más. Oh. Mézclalo. No, hay que mezclarlo, mézclalo. We gotta put the oven at 350. Okay. ¿Lo estás mezclando? Mézclalo. No. Mézclalo, mira. Ok, ahora vamos a poner el aceite, oil. I'll put it here y tú lo pones. Cógelo. ¡Yay! Más. Ok, ahora vamos a poner el agua, ¿ok? Mira, coge el agua. Agua. Ahora mixe. Muy bien. Mézclalo. Mézclalo. Go. No. Hay que mezclarlo. Así, muy bien. ¡Yay! No. Oh my God, when did you put your hand in there? No. Hay que cocinarlo. Alright. No. Gosh. Ok. Ahora mira, vamos a dejar esto aquí. And we're gonna open this. Okay, Aria, I have no idea if we have to add butter or spray to this. Yeah, I have no idea. No. Ok, mira, ahora coges uno. Pones ahí. Mira, coge uno. No, aquí, donde haya uno. Ay, no. Mézclalo. Shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Oh. No, oye. Put two more. No, eso se queda ahí. Shake. Límpiate la boca. Muy bien, y las manos. Límpiate las manos. Y el counter. Limpia el counter. Shake. Rico. Con el dedo, prueba del dedo. Está rico. Muéstraselo a la cámara. Okay, I think that now we just pour them in here. How do I do this so that you could do this? Coge. Desde aquí. Y ponlo aquí. Más. Ok. Otro. Más. Oh my God, that's too much. Alright, ayúdame. Ok, espérate, ahora the next one. Más. Ok, ahora terminemos. What does pata mean? No. Let's put them in the oven. Ready? Show everyone. Be like, wow, mira. Aria, wow. Okay, Aria, now we wait. Why do we have so many paper towels? We'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, Aria, tell them, hi everyone, we're back. Hola. Okay, look at Este es para ti. Sí. Alright, show everyone the cupcakes. Vamos a decorar. Sí, ok, vamos a sacarlos de aquí. That one's yours. Está rico. Le vamos a poner frosting. Sí. Mira, muestra a la cámara, así. Tenemos frosting blanco. Green. Verde. Oh, mira, tenemos sprinkles. Mira. Mmm, súper rico. Vamos a decorar, mira. Wow. Más. No, espérate, mira, vamos a terminar. Vamos a poner el rojo. ¿Qué es textura? Como un Santa hat. A ver, ¿cómo hace Santa? Oh, oh, oh. Ah, no hemos terminado. ¿Quieres ponerle sprinkles? Sí. Ok, oh my goodness. Ok, tú se los vas a poner. Go. Muy bien, más. Oh, good job, más. ¿O quieres rojo? Ponerle sprinkles rojo. Ok, go. No, ahí no, en el cupcake. Go. Good job. Vamos a hacer otro. Wow. No, espérate. Hay que echarle más. Agua. Esto es frosting. Wow. Frosting. Ok, ahora échale sprinkles. Mira, ponle sprinkles verde. Yay. Vamos a hacer este para Daddy y ya terminamos. Dada. This will be like a Christmas tree one. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, Aria, I think we're all done. Mira, vamos a mostrar la cámara. Muestra la cámara, mira. Oh, wow. Let me see, ¿qué hiciste? Wow. They look beautiful. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. We are going to eat our cupcakes now. This is like a saliva Aria special cupcake. As always, if you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe. Alrighty, let's subscribe. Also, if you haven't done so, please don't forget to, please don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up to let us know that you like it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We love you and we'll see you in our next one. Bye. This is mama. Está rico. I think mine has too much frosting. Mama. Alright, did you have a good time? ¿Te divertiste? Sí.